Hello, everybody. Hello, my San Diego Circle. Hello, my Circle MX5. And hello, I gotta turn this down. Hold on. I'm back. Thanks. That was just a little too loud. Just wanted to give you an update about myself and my progress in the new DJ thing. As you see, I ain't got my new mark yet, so when I do, bitch, that my success and my journey in my new adventure in life is about to be birthed. Um, so yeah, I just want to tell you all thanks to Sean. You know, Good Thinking. He's in SoundCloud, by the way. If you want to check him out, please do so and follow him. This nigga is awesome. What else? I hate one thing. I hate a camera. Okay, I really do, because you have all these thoughts in your head. And you're trying to get it out on your face right here. It's like, nigga, I don't know what to say. Well, I'm just gonna be me. Okay, I'm not gonna be phony. I'm just gonna be me. Nigga, please. Okay. Well, I can cam on what do you call it? Video chat, that's fine. But actually being recorded, it's different, you know? Okay, well, my new mark's not here yet, but it is coming, and when it does, I'm on an adventure. Oh yeah, I got some buddies now, nmixify.com. They're like, hey, we wish you the best, Mike. Don't let that passion pass you by. And I've been giving them Good Thinking's SoundCloud. By the way, Good Thinking is GOODTHINKIN, no G. Okay. But this nigga is awesome. Go to SoundCloud, follow that bitch. I'm sorry, bitch. Follow that nigga. By the way, you know what I mean, bitch. It's the same thing as nigga, okay? Alright, bro. Well, my San Diego Circle, Mixify.com, all my other social random people who I associate with. Peace. I love you guys, and I will keep you guys updated when the new mark comes in my lab. I can't wait. Alright. Peace.